Hello, this is Sandro from Brazil, and I would like to share with my friends and colleagues something I thought it could be very interesting and helpful for someone who are starting to work with Linux, and also for those that already started and may face some problems to solve some package installation. Okay, the main message is we have to be careful and have to put peace in the heart and read the console error. If you regain this kind of feeling of peace and and read the console error, for sure we can solve the problems very easy. I know a lot of times we are stressed and it's not so easy, but it's necessary just to keep calm and read the error console. Wow, so what I'm talking about to share? There are a couple of months I've been facing some problems with Beat software to clean my operating system. And every time, no time to work on that and kicking forward every day, a lot of months. For now, even it's not a good hour, but I have available time. And a couple hours ago, I start to work on that, so and thought it's a good thing to share. So stop to talk too much and let's show the code. Okay, uh, the problem is every time I call bleed uh, happens pop ups a message for me. Uh, no model GTK found to import. So no problem. The first thing everybody does is open the shell and try to install. So let's do it. I will redo all the steps I did, okay, uh, to share the whole what I face and make other people can face too. So sudo apt-tools install GTK, sorry. Let's see. Oops, couldn't find any packaging because there are a lot of options. So what I think was, let me Google it. Let's Google it. And I came here and found this answer in my first search. When I searched for this kind of error, and it will show me um, exactly the same package that I was trying to execute, the same software that was Blitzbeat. Okay, I scroll down and found this answer for this colleague. So I thought, good, problem are already solved. Copy, because I am going to be quick. And so I try to do exactly like that. Uh, Paste, pip install PyGTK. Enter, return, enter, and that's it. A little bit slowly, downloading PyGTK 2.24.0 tar. Oh, I do not expect for this. So what I said, let's read the error. in the console, in the terminal. So your command, your exit status 1. Python 3 -c import C setup tokenize args at temp pip install PyGTK oops code read replace info base temp cwd pip install complete put 4 lines. So here I face this message. Building PyGTK using this utils is only supported on Windows. Whoops, it's worth too much. Sounds weird. Windows. Good. To build PyGTK in a supported way, read the install file. Okay, where are the install file? I read, I try to find. Nope. No idea. Whoa, so what I did? Let's do it again. And so I did it. I came here and Google it by Debian Buster install PyGTK. Okay? And he gave me this result, which I access our amazing Debian portal. So I make sure I was in the right version because I am using Debian 10, the Buster. Okay, and I saw Blade, GTK2, Dev. Okay, and here build dependents. I installed one by one, use apt2, okay, all of them, and once ever these files, this package was installed with no errors, what I did, I came here and downloaded this package, okay, downloaded in my download directory. Okay, so after that I thought no problem, now I finished the job, and exactly like this I did. CD downloads CD Py clear. Oh, I verify the permissions, okay, configure, okay, okay, so I saw we have the configure file, and also I saw we have the make, so we have to run make and make install, okay, but as I ever say, nobody spent your time to wrote a file readme to do not be read. So what I did, I opened the file, and here is the readme, and read it. Aqui, so here, aqui is a word in Portuguese. Sorry. So here we have this archive, talking about Godzilla and so, and requirements, a lot of packages that we already have installed using from Debian portal sites, PyCaro, NumPy, it's optional, but we already also installed it, and, to include support, do this, do that. So here's the part we really want to solve and put our software to work fine. Compilation. So the instruction is configure ---- prefix, where prefix is the Python location of install, where Python is installed. After run this command, he instructs us to run make and make install. If you would like to enable docs, pass this parameter. Okay. And also he said to us to generate an environment variable with name Python using prefix bin in Python. Okay. Okay. Note if here we have installed another prefix than the one where Python is installed, we will need to set the Python path variable to prefix lib python xy site packages directory created by PyGTK installation, which means once we execute the dot slash configure command, it will create for us the site package. Okay, good. So I thought there is nothing wrong. We need to use this command and pass the location of install of our version. So let's copy it. Okay, version 2, version 2.5. Okay, here we have this. We also have this one. Python programs as present. Okay. There's nothing wrong until now. So here we have a very important information about Python. Python 2.35 or higher. Alright, and what? So let's go. Let's call our shell. Let me clear this and let's do something like this. Let's paste what we copy, and the place is user lib slash python 2.7. It's higher. Okay, and let's execute. Permission denied. I forgot to say sudo. Go ahead. Oops, something went wrong. I have installed NumPy and he said to me no support. These are the packages we installed from Debian, and let's check this message. Import C, print C, compiled extension, syntax error, invalid syntax found. Sounds very strange, but sometimes we know this kind of errors happen and doesn't affect the installation. What I did, confident on that, I go ahead expecting this error doesn't will affect a lot of bands I know and girls I know do the same. So I did what? Sudo make clean. Even this not specified there, I used to execute this command first. Okay, it runs, and now sudo make. It's a very big problem. Once again, we have to put peace in the heart, no stress, and read the console error. So here he actually to us, model string has no attribute replace. That's not true. We already know that string has replace. So let's move from the beginning. Here. No error. Db2 compile. Okay. Here he said for us. User include Python 2.7. And also here we already set up Python 2.7. So what could happen? I stop and think. So what I have to do is check my version. Let's do that. So Python 2. Python minus version. Here are the monster. My operating system are using Python 3.7. So what can I do? Let's change it. How we can change it? We can do something like this. Should update alternatives minus config Python. Enter. And here I have a list of installed alternatives. We have position 0 3.7, position 1 2, position 0 3.7, better, and position 1 2.7, which we need to work. So let's type it here. Make a choice 1. So now update on alternatives to using Python 2.7. Good. Just to double check, let's see again. Python minus version. Okay. Now we have Python 2.7. So what we should do now? I suggest to do something like this. Should make it clean. So it's clean. So now we run again. Configure minus prefix equals user leave Python 2.7 and stop here, because under this directory configure will create the sites packages, right? Yep. Hit enter. Oops, once again I forgot sudo. Whoa, sounds very good. No exceptions. And now also my NumPy support was yes. A good step. So I will execute clear. I love to stay with a clean console. And now I will make clean. I already did, so I do make. And we will also pass a sudo make install. And hit enter and cross my fingers right now. This process is a little bit slowly, but I love to see this console message. Sometimes I thinking make a very big picture and put in the roof of my bedroom. Just joking. But maybe it's not. Who knows? It's very good. More than Da Vinci pictures. Yep. That are crazy for everything. So it's working. Processing. Make all. I thought it's useful because we have here some instance of browser. It's a very big storer of resource. Okay, now we have everything solved, and what we just need was to keep peace in the heart, read the message console error, and go to use Google to search and have some hints to earn to save time. For this video is everything. I hope it helped some colleagues from colleagues, beginners, seniors, and everybody. I thank you so much, and I hope everybody be safe, everybody be blessed, and we see one another very soon. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Keep it rocking. Keep coding. Bye.